Cool, looks like we have a decent amount of people. So we can go ahead and get started. Sounding good. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. Here we go. Cool. So today's meeting is the last meeting of the semester. Thank you guys so much for coming. We're excited that you're here because we prepared some exciting stuff for you guys. So today's plan, we're just gonna go and review the semester. I will talk about this summer and the coming semester. And we have some member awards for the MVPs. And we're gonna have some fun games and prizes as well. And then finally, we're gonna open it up to a Q&A session. You guys can ask about machine learning in general. Let's start with the semester in review. We started all the way back in February or so. We had our first info meeting here. You guys showed up and we had some cool workshops. This was our introduction to PyTorch workshop, I think. You guys asked some really great questions. We had some more workshops in between. We don't have photos for those, unfortunately. But we do have some photos from our...
Screen's glitching. It's like
it's kind of freaking out.
Yeah.
My screen is freaking out?
It has stage.
Okay. Let's see. Can anyone else screen share? All right, cool. Yeah, my screen has a problem with that.
Sure, can everyone see my screen?
Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Let's do this. Sounds great.
Okay. I think
let's go forward a bit. Yeah. We had some more workshops in the middle, but we forgot to get photos for those. But we did get some photos for our reinforcement learning workshop. Last week, we got some beautiful faces here. And keep going. More beautiful faces, a lot more non-faces. Well, that's okay. Understand that people are in quarantine, might not have the best face. But thank you for those who did open the camera.
I think between the workshops, whether they were in person or whether they were over Zoom, and because of COVID-19, we couldn't all be there together. I think I am incredibly proud and happy with the fact that with everyone's kind of participation and ability to show up on a week in and week out basis. So yeah, good job. Thank you for showing up, and I think it made the semester a really great success.
Yeah, absolutely. Well said. So to summarize, I think we had roughly 8 committee meetings, give or take. We had 4 great workshops. And like Gaurav said, people stayed committed to the club, even with quarantine. That's something that a lot of other clubs can't say. So really happy about that. Awesome job, everyone. Next slide. Cool, so let's talk about summer session. For summer session, we would have a June start. Some of you may have seen the URL I posted in Slack already, but if you haven't filled it out yet, please go to tinyurl.com/ml-summer and help us fill out some questions. It's really simple, like what frequency would you like to meet up? So far, most people have said once a week, like normal. Some people said once every 2 weeks. Some really excited people said twice a week. That's great. And then let us know what you want to do. So we have like paper readings, committee meetings, workshops, speakers, projects, some fun events where we could perhaps watch like an AI related movie, something like Space Odyssey or something like that. I think would be really fun. I think most people right now have said paper readings and fun events. So yeah, please send your feedback in here and we'll let you guys know what people say. Next slide. All right, and plans for next semester. Our new president will be Gaurav. So congrats, Gaurav.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cool. He's the only one who's going to be president for next semester. I also think he's going to be a really great president based on the leadership that he's demonstrated throughout this past semester. Also for officers, we've had 2 to 3 people who've told us that they're interested, and we're going to finalize the officers within a week. So if you reached out to us, just know that you'll most likely get it. And then for next semester, please tell us more of what you'd like to see. We'd love to get your guys' feedback and hear your voice because the club is here for you guys. That's tinyurl.com/ml-s2020.
And please value the please know that we greatly value the feedback that you give us. We want to make this club something that works for all of us, and we do take your feedback with great importance. So we hope that all of you can fill that out so we can improve this club not only for next semester but beyond.
Totally. Yep. All right. So we have some member awards. Next slide. So how we decided the member awards was based on 3 criteria. One is contribution to the club, another is passion to help others, and also dedication to learning throughout the club. And this definitely applies to basically almost everyone in the club. But we wanted to award some people in particular. So Gaston, you want to go ahead and talk about this one?
Yeah, I don't think Daniel's here right now. I think he might be working on a final or something, so I'll reach out to him later. But Austin, who is here, you and Daniel, remember in the beginning, you're both a little skeptical about being able to learn and catch up, but I think you guys really crushed it. You both took the time to ask questions. You showed up every week. You were committed, and you got a lot better, even though it may not have seemed like you improved as much as you wanted. So I just want to cap this out by saying thanks for making the traditional ML committee a better place.
Thank you, Gaston. Couldn't have done it without you.
So for the RL committee, we wanted to award Spencer and Pushball. Unfortunately, neither one of them are here. Spencer,
Oh.
doing some work for our finals, and I'm not sure where Pushball is. But we wanted to award Spencer because he was really great at asking a lot of questions that helped him and his teammates learn more. And he showed great dedication and activity when preparing the workshop.
Yeah. And Pushball was also very consistent in showing up to meetings, very important meetings. And she also worked pretty hard to really start us off on our whole reinforcement learning project. Yeah, she was one of the very first people we worked with to get that project started, and ended up being a pretty good presentation. So thank you, Pushball, wherever you are.
Cool. And for the GAN committee, I'd like to award Thomas Wei for his consistent interest and dedication ever since last semester. I reached out to him in a random class. I said, hey, we're doing machine learning, you want to join? And he's been at almost every meeting since then. And I really appreciate his willingness to teach members within and outside the committee. When he had some knowledge from before, he was very happy to impart that knowledge on new members. And he helped a lot with the GAN code and the presentation. So thank you very much, Thomas.
All right, for the NLP committee, I would like to nominate Jin Wei and Gotham for their great work. Unfortunately, in this semester, we're not able to come up with a workshop, but it's okay, and the workshop will still be there, but it will be postponed to the next semester. So for Jin Wei, and thank you for your contribution to come up with the new concepts and be willing to find materials online and explain those concepts to us. And Gotham, I still remember how great it was when we talked about the idea you came up for the project, and you always show up on the meetings. They both have great work here, so thank you all.
Cool. But of course, everyone has put in such great effort into our club by showing up to our meetings and contributing to the workshops. So thank you, everyone who's been showing up. That's Adit, Austin, Daniel, Dylan, Tristan, Vincent, Joshua, Thomas, Vlad, Danny, Spencer, Pushball, Kai, Jenwei, Gautam, Eric, Jing, Gorov, Gaston, Jason, Chime, and myself. And also, thank you, Emily and Brad, for joining us every week as interpreters and making this fun for everyone. So the people who won the awards in the previous slides, we'll be giving them Amazon gift cards for their prize. So congrats on that. And everyone else here, if you met member requirements, please do let us know. I think basically everyone on this screen has met member requirements, and that means you get to be featured on our website. So if you would like that, please send me your picture, your GitHub, and LinkedIn, and we'll get you on there. Cool. All right. So round of applause for everybody.
Yay.
Thanks,
I just wanted
everybody.
to also add on, it's not easy to try to learn something and be in a constant state of confusion for those 2 hours, but over time, like one step in front of the other, you do get somewhere, and I think that's a testament of the persistence that everyone on the screen has shown. So, good job.
Yeah, good job, everyone. Cool. All right. So we now have game time. So this is your chance to also win an Amazon gift card if you haven't already. The next slide. We prepared 2 fun games for you. First one is going to be Kahoot, where we have some machine learning questions that you can answer. And then we're also going to have Pictionary right after, where you think of a machine learning concept and you have to draw it, and everyone else has to guess. So from both of these games, people will win points, and we're going to have 4 more Amazon gift cards to give out. So the top 3 will win a prize. And we're also going to have a +1 winner chosen randomly from the people who haven't won an Amazon gift card yet. Sound fun?
Awesome.
Cool. All right. So I think we have to go to the Kahoot thing. So since I'm not sharing my screen.
Do you have the link? I could pull it up on my side.
Yeah. Do you have a Kahoot account, Gaurav?
I don't think so.
Okay, go to Kahoot really quick then.
Okay. Cool.
How many people are here? Oh, we have more people joining us now. I guess while Gaurav is making an account, I can go ahead and, can I do that? Sure. Back. Please hold.
Yeah, so I made the account.
Great. Can you send me your Kahoot username really quick?
Sure.
Okay. Yep, shared it. It might be in your email, or it might be in your Kahoots. What's everyone planning to do over the summer? Just curious.
I'm planning to do a million things.
You're going to be doing what? Sorry?
A million things.
A million things. What's one of those things?
I'm taking some G classes in the summer.
Ooh, nice, nice. It's productive.
I'm planning to become one with my bed.
That is a good plan.
That will also only be the only legal option.
True, true.
There are a couple of conferences for if anyone's interested, like CVPR and like a whole bunch of other conferences are going to be virtual over the summer.
Right. Yeah, that'd be fun to go to. Is CVPR going to be free, or it's cost some money?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I think most conferences have been turned to free online now, right?
I don't know.
I'm not sure.
I have no idea.
Because like NVIDIA made it free, and then so did GDC.
Mm-hmm.
And those are like pretty big ones. So who knows?
I got your email, but it says the Kahoot is private. Ask the creator to share it with you, and I clicked it through the email. So
All right, let me change that.
maybe I have no clue.
Try it again. Try it again. I just opened it up.
Say that one more time.
Try it again. I just opened it up.
Yeah, cool. All right. Okay, yeah, I got you.
Wait, here's something.
Hey, all right, great. Who's ready to win some prizes? Who got it?
So I can't hear any of you because this music is really loud. So
You can probably just turn the music down a lot. Oh, important disclaimer. Whatever device you're using to pick the answer on, you can't actually see the answers. You have to look at the
I'll just mute it. Yeah.
It's kind of silly. So just keep that in mind.
How you doing, guys?
Hey,
Hello, hello.
let's see in here.
Be one with the bed. Is that you, Jason?
What gives you that idea?
Oh, by the way, even though officers are joining the game, they won't count in the points thing for the awards.
Excuse me?
Officers are joining the game to have fun too, but they won't be included in the Amazon gift card part because
We're here to make sure
Are there
things
too
work.
many people? It's not letting me join.
right?
Is there a cap?
No, I've had a problem joining in even before anyone entered.
Oh, that's weird.
It's the error say.
Yeah, what does it say?
There's a problem with the game pin. Please try it again.
Maybe try refreshing. Sometimes that.
I've tried that.
You did try that?
Did you?
That's very interesting because I just got in.
Okay, let me see if I can exit out.
You could try a different device as well.
Okay, I'm out. See if that allows you to join in. Maybe it is a cap.
No, it's not a cap. I started trying it when there was no one there and it didn't work.
That's interesting. I had that issue earlier when I was trying to join the officers testing thing.
Yeah, I'm trying to join right now. And
Can you try a different device?
Yeah, I found that I was using Firefox and it didn't work, so I tried Google Chrome. And,
that's probably why.
Why are you using Firefox?
I got it working on my computer, but not my phone.
Okay.
As long as it works on a device, that's good. You might have to do side by side because the answers will show up on one screen and the questions will show up on the other screen. So split your screen.
Okay, so we have more people in.
Give me like 20 seconds to try to join.
I think you can have like 4,000 players on Kahoot, so I don't think there's a cap.
4,000.
Goodness.
Okay, I got it to work now.
GG.
Oh, we got
GG.
10, 11. Nice.
We have G and GG.
He is Gorov, I admit.
Oh. Who is Dia? Is that Danny?
Wait, what?
Who's Dia?
Who's DYA?
That's me.
Okay.
Anyone else joining? I see Vincent just joined.
That's Vincent.
Yep.
Perfect.
And Joshua join.
Join Austin.
The sunglasses.
Oh, you can put an emoji. That's
Yes.
crazy.
Wait,
I
wait,
thought it was like a
how do I join
decoration.
this? How do I? Where's? Where? Oh, Kahoot. Okay, what?
GPT.
I got this. Okay.
Yeah, I wasn't able to get Drawful working, the custom prompts.
Oh, yeah.
That would have been fun though.
Then Jackbox has a limit of 8 people, so it probably wouldn't have worked out anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. We're gonna do Pictionary, so it's kind of similar. 13 players. Is anyone else still trying to join who hasn't joined yet? We have 13.
There might be, what, 1 or 2 people who haven't joined yet?
Oh, wait, Austin's the sunglasses, right?
Oh, I think so.
Yeah, I am.
All right. Did
Is
Joshua join?
Wait, I'm entering the pin. It's like 8147983.
Yes.
And I'm entering it and like, what? It says there's a problem with the game pin. What the heck? I don't know.
Are you
Switch
on
devices.
Yeah, try
Yeah.
different
I'm on
browsers.
Google Chrome.
I'll use your phone.
My phone or Internet Explorer maybe. I don't know.
Whatever works.
Yeah, that's gonna cause more.
If like worst case scenario, we can keep track of your answers like outside the game.
Oh, I'm in with Internet Explorer, bro.
Oh,
Wow.
Rusty Internet Explorer.
Wait,
It's
we
actually
don't
called
people.
Okay, not Joshua. Nice.
I
Is that
think we
everyone?
lost Emoji. Oh, now we have emoji back. All
Okay,
right.
emoji's back. Okay, I think that's everyone,
I think
right?
that's everyone. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Last chance. Anyone? All right. I think we're ready.
No whammies, no whammies, no whammies.
All righty. I think.
The music dropped a little too hard.
What is the name of this club? Ooh, that's a tough question.
Oh, is this a trick one?
I'm kind of glad you made it Agora. It was a little too much.
This is an organization.
Yeah, both of those answers are correct. Good job.
What?
Wait, who put my life?
I did.
Oh, no, you can't.
You're sabotaging your multiplier, man.
It's a multiplier.
You get a streak for answering multiple
Wow.
questions right, and that's like the majority of the points that matter.
Oh wait.
Oh, speed. I think speed actually helps you.
Oh really?
No, I mean on subsequent answers, you get like a 1.1 times.
Yeah, but GG's
Then-
winning.
Yeah, like if like 12 of us pick the right answer, how do all of us have different scores? That's interesting.
Speed.
What is a hyperparameterization method? Okay. What? Oh.
If someone gets this wrong, I'll be mildly disappointed.
Get ready to be disappointed.
You act like you're the one who got it wrong.
7,
I think I did.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh my god.
Hey, reinforcement learning based optimization is probably a thing.
It is a
Really?
thing. Yeah.
I just no one picked grid search.
I can't believe more people think matrix search is real than grid search. That's pretty funny.
What are the learnable parameters of a neural network? Oh.
Hey, Gaurav, are you able to
Yeah.
turn the sound on slightly, like the music?
Yeah, sure. I got you.
Very, very slightly.
Ooh, now that's hype.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This music goes hard.
We can have other people play their musics as well. Dopamine.
Ooh.
This is honestly more of a speed test than anything.
No, trust me, once you get to like I think a certain amount of questions, the multiplier is the only thing that matters.
Wait, officers, try and get more wrong so that we can see actual people who are on the leaderboard.
Okay.
We can all look at the leaderboard at the end, right?
Yeah, we should be able to.
Yeah, but there's like more
Yes,
hype in
populated.
between if we have like numbers up there.
I'll put next time. I'll just put spelling errors in the one that's wrong.
I'll answer very, very late. Pew.
That was a hard question.
Oh, wow, I got the right answer, but I got kicked out the leaderboard. This game is rigged.
Wait, is there a wrong answer?
I don't know. I didn't do this question. Wait, and do ads even work in Zoom?
No, it's just my fun conversation.
Okay.
Virtual snacks, yeah. We only had snacks like twice.
The snacks were good though.
Yes.
You should just go buy a bunch of Ormel plants and just save them, Jason.
Save them? How long do they last?
Forever. It's cured meat.
What's this answer? Okay, here come the tough ones. Grandma's apple nuggets. Seems about right.
Genetically accelerated networks actually sounds really cool.
That's for genetic algorithms, maybe next semester.
Are you gonna? Is that what your project's on, Jason?
Right now it is, yeah.
That's cool.
Oh, I'm lucky.
I don't believe that these streaks are making a difference because I'm just out of the picture.
No, it makes a difference when you have a streak and then you lose it. I mean, they might have toned it down from the last time where you could end up with like a 5,000 point difference. Just from one question.
Oh. Okay, this one is interesting. Bonus points if you guess who made this question.
I think it's Jason.
Even more bonus points if you get the question if you get who made it wrong.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I'm back in.
Oh, tough round.
Members, how are you doing? Are these questions difficult?
I hope they're not too difficult.
What are the networks in the game?
It might be a little bit difficult. Just do your best.
Or you don't have a lag switch, right?
Dude, I thought it was
Tricky.
We're starting to see how it's making a difference now.
I guess so.
Where's Gigi? Is that Gorov?
Yeah.
He's right here. Wait, Gorov, get more wrong.
Sorry?
Get more wrong so that members will show up.
I got you. I got you.
Which of the following gives nonlinear?
Yeah. I need some explanation for this stuff.
Yeah, we should actually talk about explanations for each of these, maybe.
Is it possible to
Oh,
pause
should
in the middle?
I go back?
No, it's okay. We just do it from here.
Can I go back?
I don't think
No,
so.
no, I think
Okay.
I think you can look at them after.
You can only go forward.
Yeah.
No, like once we're done with everything. I got screwed.
Okay, so this one, the learning rate means how fast your network weights will respond to the error. So if you imagine like a surface and then it goes down to like a minimum, right? And then it comes back out. If learning rate is too large, if it goes into that dip, it'll respond too quickly and then it'll bounce back out. That's why the network will not converge if learning rate is too large.
Does that have anything to do with like step size?
Step size just means how many instances of the data that you're stepping through at once. So it can have a little bit of effect on that, but the learning rate is something separate from the batch step size. Yeah, good questions. All right, next one. Wow, Thomas is lit.
Wait, who's Gigi?
That's me.
Oh.
See, Thomas has the highest streak, but
Well, yeah, because I lost my streak.
I know. But wait, should I be having a streak? Why don't I have a streak?
Your streak's not as high.
I think we have the same amount of answers.
See what I mean by the streak is the only thing that matters?
I'm not sure.
I'm about to go to last place now.
Hmm. Who did that?
What?
Nothing.
Wait, is it just me, or did you see a line come under here?
I saw that. I
Okay.
thought you did that.
So this one, how do you load data into PyTorch? Pretty self-explanatory, the ones that have the word data in them. So if you remember from my workshop, we create a data set that defines how to transform the data into a tensor. And then we have a data loader, which loads that in batch sizes. So like 16, 32 at a time. And then module just means that's how you define a neural net. And optimizer is how you get the net to respond to the error. So the correct answer is the data ones. Cool. Wow.
Oh yeah, look at how impossible it is to come back now.
Interesting.
I'm proud of you, Thomas. I want to see how much of a difference you can have.
There's only one correct answer for this one, FYI. So this one, tensor. So everything when you load into PyTorch to go through a neural net is a tensor. You might have chosen data frame because you were confused about pandas. Pandas uses data frames, but that's a different library, not PyTorch. And you'd have to convert that into a tensor to use with PyTorch.
Well, John Way is coming back with his streak.
Wow. Fire.
Uh-oh.
Wow, good job, people. Got most people got this right. Yeah, regression means number. So that was the only one with number in it.
Can Thomas get the 5,000 ahead of everybody else? That should be his goal.
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime.
I only actually put one
Optimize your
answer
life.
for this question.
I
like that
wish
one.
you could optimize my life. That would
Andrew,
be
did you
great.
Yeah.
did you fill out the rest of the
And I can
answers?
change.
Yeah, I did.
I was gonna put something silly, but you did it for me.
Hey, Optimus Prime has an underline. Oh,
I know.
Because people are annotating the screen.
I don't know how it's annotating the screen.
You just click annotate. Okay.
Sorry?
I can't see any.
Okay.
No, I see it too. I'm confused. I don't know how it's doing that.
It's not there anymore.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, I see. I see.
Who's annotating that?
Oh my god.
I'm so confused.
That's me, man. Sorry.
See, like, what is happening?
Well, yeah, 9. People know what overfitting is. That's good.
Oh, now I finally get my streak. Ooh.
This one has 2 correct answers.
Really?
This is a pretty easy to answer question, honestly.
I would hope so. You're in the reinforcement learning committee.
Yo, who's trolling?
I believe he just lets us do this.
Cool. Any questions on this one?
We didn't cover Minimax, right?
We did not.
Okay, cool.
We did in GAN committee.
Oh, did you? Oh, wait.
The GAN work?
Yeah. Kind of. It's not exactly the Minimax algorithm, but yeah.
Oh yeah.
Next.
Wow.
How do you draw a Mandalorian? Hey.
Excuse me?
Hello.
What's the difference between these two correct answers, by the way?
Yeah, so
It's just the how it's read.
That's a great question. So actually, yeah, it's how it's read in PyTorch. Actually, PyTorch uses 3 by 128 by 128 because it is NCHW, where N is the batch, C is the channels, and then height and width. But theoretically, you could do it the other way in 128 by 3, but the more common way is the yellow answer.
yeah.
So good job to people who got that one. Right.
TensorFlow can do both. I'm pretty sure PyTorch can do both because NumPy can do both.
Yeah, PyTorch can do both, but the 3 by 128 is more common. Yeah, good question.
Annotation is covering everything.
This is a pretty good drawing.
Yeah, nice drawing, Andrew.
Hey, I'm not the only one.
Sorry?
I think someone else drew the Yoda head.
That was Thomas, but I'm not sure.
Pop-Tarts are a good reward.
They are a good reward. Whoa.
It's not even remotely close anymore.
Uh-oh.
Did you fix this one?
I did fix this one. I fixed all of them.
Okay.
The answer is the Nike Switch.
I disagree. There's no exclamation mark. It can't be correct.
Man, I don't even. Oh man, dude? What's an activation function?
Good question.
Okay. Gaurav, do you want to answer?
Yeah, sure. So activation functions are essentially used. So when you're doing if you have a fully connected layer, essentially you do a couple of operations on it. Number one is you do the weight of the neuron times the input. So for example, you have an input image and you multiply each pixel by a certain weight. And then you apply an activation function to that value because the activation function will model nonlinearities into the data. If you just simply don't use the activation function, what happens is the values of the output will just monotonically increase. And then that means you can't, if you have a nonlinear kind of decision boundary, in other words, if you have any type of complex decision, then you're not going to be able to model that. So you want to add these nonlinearities so it can figure out any kind of complex decision boundary.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Well, I can follow, but like the concept of a decision boundary. That's all right.
So a decision boundary is essentially.
Yeah, it's pretty much just output probabilities.
Okay.
Yeah, so like a decision boundary looks something like that. Like the idea in like any kind of machine learning is you want to be able to figure out what set of inputs equals to what set of outputs, right? So here in this nonlinearity, like the only way you can have a decision boundary is that it's a nonlinear one, right? There's no linear decision boundary that's really good.
Oh man.
So if you want the model to learn this, like say this set of inputs equals to X or this set of inputs equals to zero to a circle.
You need an activation function.
It needs to be able to use nonlinearities to create this nonlinear decision boundary.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
I mean, it does looking at it, but like, oh man.
Yeah. How does that translate to that, right?
How does that?
How does activation function translate to the curved line? I think that's the big question.
Oh yeah, it's because in the neural net, right? You have let me change the color. You have WX plus B, where W is the weights of the neural net, B is the bias, X is your input, right? So if you combine a bunch of lines together, of linear equations together, you can only get a line. You can only get a straight line. You might know from linear algebra. But so that's why you need to have some activation function around it, which is not linear. So you like have A, and we pass it through that. So for example, A might be just like a little bend in here. A might be like a squiggly function. It doesn't really matter.
Wait. So an activation function can be any function as long as it's nonlinear? I don't know.
Correct, as long as it's not linear.
Yeah.
But there are some that are better than others. But we can get into those details later. Cool. Good question though. Is it clear now? Sigmoid tan. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it also corresponds to outputting probabilities where you take the decision boundary and you essentially just normalize it so the highest value gets the most probability assigned to it, so to speak. And
Yeah,
that becomes class that is the prediction.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Cool.
Let's go on.
Oh.
I'm gonna get this wrong again.
Cool. I think the only people who got it wrong were the officers, so good job, people. Ooh, Josh is.
Uh-oh, an upset.
Hey.
Want to come up?
I don't think you can catch up to me, Jason.
Well, you'll still earn points. Like it's gonna be a linear. Yeah.
I got this one wrong again. Oh, well,
There's a privacy transpose convolutional way.
Thomas is at the top.
I don't know the answer to this. What is this?
I don't think we ever covered this, so.
We did.
Do you know about linear algebra?
I know what a transpose is, but like, oh man.
I'm drawing the answer on the side, so.
I think we covered in GANs.
Oh, I guessed correctly.
Oh crap.
Yeah, transpose is these things upsample.
Oh, Vincent. Vincent's up there.
Hey.
All right.
Now it's a competition.
Competition for everything but first, pretty much.
Class automatically applies data augmentation.
This one's tricky. There's only one correct answer. Okay, it's not two correct answers.
The answer
I think that was a hint.
That is definitely a hint. You should choose the one that's not on the left.
What? What? No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. Let me explain
My
this.
streak.
This is really important. So there's a difference between the dataset class in PyTorch and the data loader class in PyTorch. Dataset defines how you actually load that data and then transform it into a tensor. And that can include augmenting the data, so like random flips, random rotations. But the data loader only takes in the data set and loads data in batches. So you don't do the data augmentation there. It's only in the data set.
I'm about to get kicked off the board. Wait, I'm still on. Interesting.
Yay. This is the last question.
You should have had one that just says all of. They should all just say all of them. That would have been funny.
Yeah, this one's going to be weighted based on how many people are. Ah, pretty good.
Good job. That was a hard question.
Okay, I think that's the last one. So leaderboard. Can you screenshot the leaderboard, Gaurav?
Oh, 22 out of 23.
Yeah.
That feels bad.
So click the next button on the top right.
Wait, you got 22 out of 23 and you still got destroyed. See what I mean?
Wow.
4,000 more points.
Well, I mean, I purposefully answered at the last second to see if that affected my score. It looks like
The answer is yes. Thomas got 5,000 ahead of me.
Cool. I think Dio was fourth.
We go off. Click get feedback. Yeah, there you go. Well,
oh, Vincent held on to that lead.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
So how should we do this? How many people do we have here who are participating?
Like
it says
14.
17.
Right, but who is, let's see.
There are 14 players
Austin,
in the game.
Danny, Edward, Galton, Chenwei, Josh. Okay, so let's just do the points as 1 through 5. So Thomas gets 5 points. Oh wait, but GG doesn't count. That is B1 with the bet.
Yeah.
Can we show more save results?
Erase B1 with the bed. Click on my name.
Click on what?
Click
Save
on my
results.
name, so I get stricken from the board. My name. B1 with the bed.
Oh, got you.
There you
Okay,
go.
there you go, there you go. Yeah, yeah. Cool. Can we actually like write it down so we like go through the whole list?
Yeah, we could do that.
Or can you also click save results? I think it might show all of them.
Okay, I want to
Yeah.
see.
All right, guys, I gotta go now. Have a nice
Let me
time.
guess. Oh, you.
Yeah, it outputs a score by, yeah, it outputs everyone's scores.
Okay, that's okay. We can just do the top 5. So Thomas has 5 points, Danny 4 points, Vincent 3 points, Joshua 2 points, Jenwei 1, and then everyone else can catch up in the next game.
Cool.
All right. So next one is Pictionary.
Do we need an app for that?
I have a link, so let me share that. Go here.
Oh, man.
Are you sharing it in? Oh, I see.
It's on Zoom. I can also post it in.
Oh, I see it. You're good.
Join shared board.
Cool, cool, cool. Let me also, whoops. Let us know if you've joined, or let us
Could
know
we
if you
do
have
this?
trouble joining.
Is this a good thing to do on your laptop?
Yes, laptop is good for this.
You can draw well with your mouse.
Yeah, I can also play some hype music. All right. Cool. So we're going to play Pictionary now. The way this is going to work is everyone's going to get a chance to draw. And actually, I put the rules on the slides. If Gaurav, can you share that really quick?
Oh yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
The Pictionary slides or the Pictionary rules are not here.
Okay, never mind. Okay, so the way this is going to work is that everyone gets a chance to draw. The drawer comes up with an idea to draw, and then they have to get that approved by me, okay? So send to me in the private chat what you're drawing. And then once you're ready, you'll start drawing, and everyone else has to guess what you're drawing. And the first person who gets it correct, they win a point, and the drawer wins a point. So the drawer has an incentive to draw something that's recognizable, okay? Is there any confusion?
Why isn't it in your advantage to be as hard as possible?
Because the person who is drawing will also get a point if someone guesses it correctly. If the drawer draws it so that no one can guess it, then the drawer doesn't get a point either.
But should you try to make it hard?
You should try and draw it so it's recognizable for somebody. If you draw it and no one can guess it, then everyone else gets a point. Does that make sense?
Wait, what?
Just try to draw it so that people can recognize it. Cool. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Someone put lol. Cool. All right. So who is going to go first? Let's just go down the list that I have here on Zoom. So it looks like Danny is the first one. Danny, are you ready to draw? All right,
Yeah.
can you first come up with an idea and send that idea to me, then I'll approve it.
What's your name?
What is your name? That is a good question.
Thomas, is it? No.
Or if you need help coming up with something.
Oh, I got it.
You got something? All right, message me what it is so that I can confirm. No, it has to be make it machine learning related.
I draw a concept.
Right.
Okay.
No, like related to machine learning.
It is related to machine learning. You can't do machine learning without it.
I guess can you like make it a machine learning concept? Like otherwise I can also give you one. I'm gonna send you one to draw. Is that okay? Danny, do you see the one that I sent?
Yeah.
All right, are you able to draw it?
I'll try.
Okay, okay, cool. So go ahead.
I get it.
Now I'm gonna give a. Oh, Danny, are you drawing on the board?
Yeah, I'm going to be drawing on the board, but I'm going to tell you right now that everyone's going to get a point from this because this is an awful thing to think of.
Okay, cool.
Now, let's see. I'm not done yet. No.
I'm also gonna do a timer so that we don't go too far. Okay. Okay, Thomas got Rayleigh, looks like. Thomas got it.
Oh, good job.
Cool. Nice.
So what did you say?
Were you typing out the timer, Andrew? 20.
I was typing out the timer. Thomas said Rayleigh
Good job.
on the group chat. Cool.
I guess Thomas wins then.
He got that one, so everyone will get a go. Thanks, Edward, for coming.
All right, later, Edward.
Cool. So Thomas gets a point. I'll track points.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Next person is Gautam. Gautam, are you ready? Hi, Gautam, are you here? Okay, great. Gautam messaged me. So let's clear this board. And also Danny gets a point from there as well.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, Gautam, go ahead and draw. Ooh, Danny got tensor. So Danny got it. Cool. So Danny gets a point, and Gautam gets a point. Nice, Danny. Great.
I didn't see the drawing for that one.
He didn't get to see the drawing?
Uh-oh. Maybe there's some lag.
No, I didn't. Nothing was there.
It's not showing up? Is Vincent on the link?
I don't
Let me.
know.
If anything,
I
maybe
don't know.
Andrew, you
I'm
could share your
not sure if
screen.
I got the link or not. Hang on. Let me check again.
Okay.
I can see the chat. The thread on the chat.
It's the aw.app.com
I
link
can't
that
see it.
Andrew sent.
Is Emily frozen?
I think she was. I think she is.
Huh.
Wait, so
That's interesting that he cannot see it. What if we use Zoom instead, actually? So what if we use Zoom annotations?
I can see it, but it's really small.
Really small. How about we try using Zoom annotations instead then? So let's exit the all
Yeah,
app.
it's really small.
Yeah, let's exit the all app. And Gaurav, can you share like a blank white thing?
yeah, give me one moment. My glasses just broke.
Oh man.
Let me go fix them.
Okay.
We can restart as well. Just treat those 2 rounds as like a practice round.
Okay, cool.
Your glasses all good?
Yeah, they need some repairs. How do you do Zoom annotation?
Just share your screen on a blank page, like a blank white page. Yeah, there you go. And then each of us, if you click view options on the top, you can click annotate, and that'll bring up a drawing thing. You can start drawing on the board. Can everyone, number 1, Vincent, can you see this properly?
Right now it's just squiggly lines.
Can see you drawing.
This works?
Cool.
Okay, so let's use this then. All right, and let's restart then.
So we're putting the answers on here?
No, we're putting the drawings on here.
You will still private message me the answer, but then we're just gonna draw on this screen instead. Does that make sense?
So how do you annotate then? How do you draw stuff here?
So to annotate, if you see on the top, it says in green, you are viewing Gaurav Krupa's screen. To the right of that, there is view options. If you click that, there's a button that says annotate.
Okay. Okay.
Great. All right, is everyone ready?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clear the screen. Clear. Okay, so let's start from Danny again then. Let's see, close this. All right, Danny, can you private message me another?
Okay, I'm thinking of something.
Okay, okay. So we're officially starting now, just to make it clear. Before doesn't count.
You're shitting me.
It's because Vincent couldn't see the screen before, so to make it fair for everyone.
I got something.
Cool. Message me what is it? All right, cool. That's good. So Danny will be drawing now.
Do we just say it out loud?
Type in the chat
Oh, cool.
so that it's fair.
What do you mean, friend?
Oh, Josh got it. Josh got it.
Sorry.
Josh got it.
Observation function. Ooh.
Really?
That is what Danny was drawing. All right. Okay, cool. So Josh gets a point, and Danny gets a point. Nice job. Cool. And the next person now is Galta. So let's clear the screen. Rotate, clear. Cool. Gautam, are you ready? All right. Gautam is ready. He's going to start drawing. Wow, I have no idea how you're going to draw that, actually. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, people don't have it yet. Nope.
What is being drawn?
He did choose a difficult topic.
When do we go on to?
Gautam, did you stop drawing? I'm gonna count down like 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Okay. So that means everyone else gets a point. So Gautam was trying to draw Bayesian. That's good. Yeah. So everyone else gets a point. Or,
Oh boy.
I'm recording the stuff. Cool. Okay, let's go to the next person. Next person, I think, is Jianwei. Jianwei, are you ready?
Yeah, sorry, can you say that? Sure.
Sorry, what did you say?
I'm not good at drawing.
Oh, that's okay. Just do your best. Just message me the topic once you're ready, or I can help you choose one.
Did you see my message?
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, that's a good one. Go ahead.
Okay.
And Jinwei will start now.
I'm sorry. How to join?
Oh, so we're on Zoom, right? If you look on the top, you'll see a sign that says you are viewing Gaurav Kupa's screen. And to the right, it says View Options. So if you click View Options, you can click Annotate.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you can start drawing.
Okay. Okay.
Officers, do you want to draw too?
Yeah, I'm down.
All right. Thomas got sigmoid. Yeah, Thomas got it. Cool. Nice. So both Zhengwei and Thomas get a point. If officers are drawing to, let's see. Let's do the members first, and then we'll do officers at the end. So next person is Joshua. Joshua, are you ready?
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe.
Okay.
You have a topic?
Oh man.
Or do you want me to give you one?
Yeah, could you give me one? Yeah.
Yeah. How is let me know if you know what this is. Are you able to draw that? Maybe. All right. All right, Josh is drawing.
Do you miss your classes already?
Huh?
Do you miss your classes already? Because it looks a lot like a classroom.
Jenwei got it.
Whoa.
Nice, Jenwei.
Thanks.
Cool. Good. Okay.
That's
So
CNN now.
yeah, Jenwei gets a point, and who's drawing? Oh, Joshua's drawing, right? Joshua gets a point. Cool. Next is Vincent. Vincent, are you ready?
Oh, Bradley, I think you're muted.
How do I draw?
How do you draw? Oh. So on the top, it says you are viewing Gaurav Kupa's screen in green. To the right of that, there's a button that says View Options. If you click that, it says Annotate, and then you'll be able to draw. So first, private message me what the topic is.
Okay, is this going to be able to work on the phone?
Is he on the phone?
I think you'll have to draw with the finger, maybe.
No.
Is Vincent figuring it out still?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. It's just get a white space there. Yeah.
Do I get a point?
I see here. I see. Okay. Okay. I see the pen option right now. So okay, hold on.
Okay.
All right. I can see the private message now.
Great.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
Okay. Message me the topic.
I haven't got anything yet, so.
Oh, okay. Oh. Vincent, do you want to come up with a topic, or do you want me to give you a topic?
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Let's see. Give me something. I can't come to mind.
Okay. Let's say. By the way, for those who can't view the chat, you might need to stop the full screen and then double click on the chat again. Sometimes the chat doesn't match up. Zoom's kind of buggy.
Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. I'll try that.
All right, so Vincent's drawing now.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and draw.
Okay.
That's not it, Thomas. Thomas got it. Thomas got it. It's discriminator.
Ooh, good job.
Great. Vincent gets a point. Thomas gets a point. Great. I think that's it for all the members. So we can go to officers. Officers, who wants to draw first?
Those are all the members?
Yeah, those are all the members. Officers can draw now.
Oh, we could just go in order.
Wait, Thomas didn't get to draw.
Oh, right. Because we forgot to go back. Yeah, Thomas, your turn. You're right.
2, 3.
So Thomas, okay. Oh, that's a good one. All right. Thomas is ready. He's going to start drawing. You can draw in color too, I think. Did Gautam draw already? I think we forgot to go back. Feedback.
I think Calvin drew second. I'm not sure.
Wait, who?
Calvin?
Oh, wait. I think we went through Danny, but we didn't do Gotham again.
Okay. Then we can do Gotham.
Gotham, are you still here? Great. Remember to switch your chat back to everybody, because right now a bunch of you are messaging me privately. Yeah, we can see. But they messaged me privately, so that's why you can't see it.
Oh, I think I kind of know what this is. I'll let someone guess it.
Hey, Gotham got it.
Hey. Good job,
Hey.
Gotham.
Who's drawing right now? I forgot. Sorry.
Thomas.
Thomas is drawing. All right, Thomas gets the point, and Gotham gets the point. Nice. Very artistic. All right, and then last drawer is Gotham for members.
Right.
Go ahead and draw. So message me a topic when you're ready, Gotham. All right, but we restarted because Vincent couldn't see the screen before.
Yeah, did you draw when we switched to Zoom annotations?
Oh, you did draw one more time.
Yeah, I thought he did.
Okay. I don't remember what he drew.
Me neither. But I think I remember he drew.
Okay, and let's. Oh right, Bayesian, you're right.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
All right, so let's do officers to give people more chance to get points. Right now, Thomas is in the lead with 9 points total. Who is next? I think Danny is next with 5 points. And then Vincent is next with 5 points as well. And Jenwei has 4 points. Joshua also has 4 points. Gotham has 2 points, I think.
Pretty close. Not bad.
Cool. So yeah. Jason, you want to draw?
How abstract am I allowed to be?
I guess you can try and be abstract.
Let's see. How do I talk to you privately? Andrew, I want to try doing this.
Okay, that's going to be challenging because we did not cover that. How about something that we covered?
What have we covered that I can draw? I'm out of ideas.
Out of ideas.
I had a vision.
All right, go ahead and try it. I mean, maybe people will get it.
Okay.
All right, Jason's gonna start drawing.
So, yeah. Good luck with this. You can take it pretty literally. This is in context of machine learning.
Yes.
Believe me.
We got it.
Oh. Nice. The answer was random forest, by the way.
Yeah.
But I only drew 2 trees.
Then we get to that point. Cool. Do any more officers want to draw? Gaurav, maybe?
Yeah, I'm done. I can.
For sure. Message me the topic.
Sure.
Janwei got it.
Janwei got it. Random forest. Because there are many trees.
Oh, wait. Vincent got it. Vincent got it.
Vincent? Vincent. Good job, Vincent.
Vincent
Very
got
nice.
Thomas got it.
I thought it was second.
Wait.
Really? on my chat, it shows up as Vincent.
I see Vincent.
I see Vincent.
Wait, no. Wait, yeah, Vincent.
No,
wait.
it says,
No. Thomas was
Thomas,
first.
yeah.
Thomas was first.
Wait, he was first?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my
I
gosh.
see it.
Sorry,
there
guys,
is a
I
lot of
totally
spamming.
missed Yeah. Thomas got it? All right, Thomas
Yeah.
got it.
It was after John Wei type decision tree.
Right. But good job, everyone, for knowing what it was. Let's see. Thomas got it.
Good job, Thomas.
All right.
Very close. Others. It was very jam-packed.
Yeah, go ahead and message me the topic.
Oh yeah, I already did. I messaged you on Slack.
Oh, on Slack. Why can't I see everything? All right. Sure, go ahead.
All right, let's see.
Taylor polynomial. That's not quite machine learning, Tom.
All right, bye, Joshua.
Oh, I think it's not quite it.
Not quite it?
Oh yeah, let me try to fix. Help give you more information.
Submission. Nice.
Oh, Thomas got it again.
Oh, nice.
It's gradient. It's gradient.
Good job, Thomas.
Slope of that line, guys.
Wow, Thomas is like way ahead. Dang.
Thomas is.
Shall we limit Thomas from answering the next few? Give others some opportunities.
Yeah. Do any other officers want to draw? Otherwise, we'll go forward. I think that's it. Oh, actually, I want to draw one.
Yes, of course. You have to draw one, Andrew.
Let me think of one. All right, I'm gonna draw one. I know what I want to
artistic of all of us.
Annotate. Okay, here we go.
All right, for this one, Thomas only gets one guess.
Yeah. What else is there? Good.
Is this a machine learning term?
Hey, type it in the chat. Danny got it. SJSU. Hey.
This isn't accurate anymore, though.
Yeah, that's true. We don't have tails. It's not like a Zoom meeting. Yeah.
Yep.
All right.
Zoom.
I'm gonna give that to Danny.
All right, cool.
Do I get back my 2 original points as well?
I don't think you need it.
Yeah, you're still second place, Danny. All right. So I'm gonna tally up the points here. 6, 7, 6. Okay. The points are, I'll type in the chat. Thomas with 11, Danny with 6, Vincent with 5, Joshua, oh, oops, why can't I see? Oh, 11, Vincent, 5, January 4, Joshua 4, Carol 2. Alrighty, cool, nice. So
good job.
Thomas, Danny, and Vincent win Amazon gift cards. Cool. Round of applause for them. Thank you guys. And then there's just one more opportunity to win. So, Gaurav, can you go ahead and share?
This one.
I'll link you. The last one is random among the remaining people. So I think that's just Jenwei, Joshua, and Gautam who have not won yet.
Yep.
Cool. So just put in those names. Wow. Yeah, ad block.
Sorry.
You
Oh
don't have
yeah.
ad block?
No, I don't.
Dang. All right, I think it's just Joshua, Jenwei, Gautam. Yep.
Ooh, good odds.
Jenwei. Yeah, that's really good odds. I think it's Jenwei with an A, by the way. G-I-A. It doesn't matter though. It's fine.
G-I-N.
So
J-I-A, right?
I. There we go.
Oh, hold on.
Okay. Well,
All right.
we know who it is. We know who it is. All right.
Oh, I see. J-I-N.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go. All right. So this is our final round for rewards. Go ahead and
Does that
spin.
mean that I get a gift card?
Yes, you do get a gift card.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Woo-wee.
Oh,
Who's it gonna be?
oh,
Who's it?
hey, I got it.
Oh. Congrats.
All right, good job, Josh. And thank you everyone for playing and participating today. That was really fun, I think. One of our more fun meetings. So, let's go back to the slides.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool.
So everyone who won a reward. Yeah, so we'll send you guys the Amazon gift cards after this. So please send me or actually send Jason Doe your email address, and then he can send that to you.
I think I can just message them on
Or
Slack.
you can just message them. All right, cool.
Yeah, just message me on Slack.
Yeah, sounds great. So now it's just open Q&A then. For any questions you guys might have about machine learning, I'd be happy to answer.
I had a question.
You have a question?
Yeah.
All right.
This is to anyone. What do you think the most influential technology will be in 10 years from now?
What the most influential technology will be?
Yes.
Is this just in machine learning?
No, in general, in technology.
I think I think that some biology stuff is going to be pretty important 10 years from now. I've already heard that the biology was already going to get big, but even before the epidemic. But I think this epidemic is going to speed this up.
Interesting.
In particular, I think with the advent of quantum computing and as well as advanced concepts like machine learning, chemistry, the stuff needed to understand complex chemicals involved in life will get better as well, which will help biology greatly.
Cool. Thank you for your input. Anyone else have any opinions?
For machine learning specifically, I think reinforcement learning is going to get really big and really important because of all the decision making involved.
I have a question here. This is Vincent. I had a question about the machine learning. Are you running this during the summer or?
Yeah, we're going to have this during the summer. In the slides, we posted a link on what you want to see during summer. I think the link is also in the Slack, but it's also right here, tinyurl.com/mlsummer. Yeah, so looks like most people have said paper readings and fun stuff. So cool.
Yeah, most people have said paper readings or fun events. But if you feel like you want something else, go ahead, just vote.
Are you guys going to have the meeting every week? Have you decided that yet, or?
That's also one of the questions. So what's the frequency that you prefer? About half the people said once a week, twice a week, and then another quarter said once every 2 weeks. So everything is kind of up for debate.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. I have a question for everyone. I'm curious, where do you guys see machine learning in your career? Do you guys plan to pursue this as like your main job, or will it be like something that's related to your job? How much do you want it to be involved in your career?
I'm here for curiosity, honestly. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to help me in my job.
Mm-hmm.
Although I might be able to use it on a side hustle or something like that. Like if I hack into a website and I use machine learning to find out which password each username is likely to have.
I guess you could do that. Might not recommend it as a career, but you could definitely do that. Cool. Anyone else? What do you guys plan to do with machine learning in your career in the future? Personally, for me, I want it to be a big part of my career. Probably, I want to be doing machine learning as my primary job, and ideally, I could do research in an industry company, creating things that have a big impact on people. I think that'd be really great.
Yeah, same with me. I would like to. I mean, I find that machine learning is more of a something that pairs with a lot of technologies. So I'm still kind of exploring to see what kind of space I want to use machine learning in. But I do think that it will be a large part of my career, just because I really enjoyed learning machine learning.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Yeah. Do you guys have any more questions for us? I think Danny asked a question. Danny put a question in the Slack. He said, "What are good ways to learn more about machine learning and related topics?"
Yeah, I'm still researching, and
I'm looking into maybe new energy and see how that pairs and ties in with machine learning. I haven't done any research yet, though, but yeah, that's what I'd like to.
Oh, did you say clean energy?
Yeah, basically. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
that
awesome.
or any other kind of environmental type, conservation type stuff.
Yeah, same here. Same here. That's a very good desire. Yeah. I think actually Google uses machine learning to optimize energy for their data centers, and they said like it saved them a lot of energy, significantly like reducing their carbon emissions. Really cool.
One thing though I have to point out is that for some reason machine learning hasn't been good for quantitative investing.
Constant investing?
Quantitative investing, as in investing based on statistical models.
Like for stocks?
Yeah, apparently, since machine learning doesn't have a specific formula, it has legal problems because you can't check out exactly how it's working. And also, machine learning models tend to have a problem dealing with real life because they're based on recorded sets. And when they apply on the stock market, they tend to flop.
Right.
Although I think that might be fixable if you just use SARSA with the stocks you're investing in right now or something.
Right. Yeah. That's a good point. Any other questions from you guys?
I was thinking about it could apply to certain algorithms. I think it would be really successful. Yeah, it's something I'm definitely thinking about.
Sorry, it's kind of hard to hear. Can that be repeated?
Can you hear the interpreter?
I can, but it's kind of quiet. I don't know if it's the same for other people.
Yeah, it is a little quiet, but it's still, I could still kind of hear it.
Okay, I can speak up. So I was just saying I've been doing some reading about algorithms and with reciprocity and how it would apply to machine learning. And I think it could definitely be a successful application.
Oh, what was the topic?
So, take a look. Algorithms.
Algorithms, applying algorithms with machine learning.
Yeah.
Like traditional algorithms? Because technically machine learning is also an algorithm.
Algorithmic.
Algorithmic.
I feel like I'm missing a keyword. I'm not sure if I actually completely heard you.
I heard Vincent say he's looking into applying algorithms or algorithmic things to machine learning, and he's interested in how that could work. Although I'm a little bit confused because machine learning is a type of algorithm actually. So maybe you could specify which specific algorithms he means.
I'm talking about algorithmic trading.
Oh, algorithmic trading. Okay, that was the keyword that we were missing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like as in stocks?
I think so.
I think the problem with algorithmic trading is, at least I know some people who are doing research on that, but there seems to be a lot of noise, and being able to model that noise seems to be somewhat difficult. But I'm not sure what makes it different than any other data, because all data has noise.
True. Yeah. Yeah, people seem to be successful in setting it up, though. Obviously, it's been a lot of trial and error. It's been in the last couple of years that they found a successful model.
Oh, sorry, I'm just putting in Slack the people who are getting gift cards, just for the record. Yeah, definitely. Cool.
We're not going to be able to go to the store, though.
What was that?
We're not going to be able to go to the store, though.
For Amazon, it's online.
But Amazon is empty right now.
No, it's not.
I'm still ordering things on Amazon. I actually just got a package delivered today, so I think it'll still work. But you can let us know if you have trouble. Cool. I think that's all the questions that people have for today, it seems like. So if you have more questions, we're always here. Feel free to discuss. And I think today was a really good meeting. So thanks everyone for showing up. Congratulations to everyone who won a prize. I think everyone won a prize actually, whether through member awards or through a game prize. So congrats. And see you in June. Like work next slide. Yeah. Yeah, see you in the summer. Best of luck on finals. Thanks for showing up. Yeah. Very proud of y'all.